Hello, this is Jeep Compass 2019 steering wheel. To remove the airbag, the steering wheel has 3 holes. One on the bottom and 2 on the side. It has this strong spring. You would have to put a screwdriver in there, better flathead, the bigger the better. Press each side. The airbag will come out. The airbag has 3 points. The bottom one is the strongest one. You have to push harder. When you push, remember to pry the airbag to you so it doesn't snap back in. There's a better look. If you're doing it, that's the center. And then you just remove the 2 plugs carefully, and that's it.